PSC റാങ്കറിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. കഴിഞ്ഞ 18-ാം തീയതി, അതായത് 18/7/2025 PSC നടത്തിയിട്ടുള്ള സ്റ്റാഫ് നഴ്സ് ഗ്രേഡ് 2, അതുപോലെ നഴ്സ് ഗ്രേഡ് 2 എന്നീ പരീക്ഷകളുടെ PSC തന്നെ തന്നിട്ടുള്ള പ്രൊവിഷൻ ആൻസർ കീയാണ് വായിക്കാൻ പോണത്. അപ്പോൾ ഇതിൻ്റെ കാറ്റഗറി കോഡ് എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് 202/2024, 332/2024, 469/2024, 523/2024. അപ്പോൾ ഈ ആൻസർ കീ പ്രകാരം നിങ്ങളുടെ ഉത്തരങ്ങൾ മനസ്സിലാക്കുക, സ്കോറൊക്കെ മനസ്സിലാക്കുക. ഓക്കെ, ഇതിൻ്റെ കറക്ഷനൊക്കെ കഴിഞ്ഞ് ഫൈനൽ ആൻസർ കീ പിന്നീട് വരും. നിങ്ങൾ ഈ ചാനൽ ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യാത്തവരാണെങ്കിൽ ദയവ് ഇത് സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്കിനി ചോദ്യോത്തരങ്ങളിലേക്ക് കടക്കാം. ഒന്നാമത്തെ ചോദ്യം: വിച്ച് എമംഗ് ദ ഫോളോയിങ് മസിൽസ് ഈസ് എ സ്ട്രോങ് അബ്ഡക്ടർ ആൻഡ് മീഡിയൽ റൊട്ടേറ്റർ ഓഫ് ദ തൈ? എ ആണ് ഗ്ലൂട്ടസ് മീഡിയസ്. 2. Which among the following organ has both skeletal and smooth muscles in its muscularis externa? അത് esophagus. 3. The cerebral arterial circle composed of all the listed arteries except D, choroidal artery. 4. Which of the following carpal bone of the hand is found in the proximal row? A ആണ് pisiform. 5. Stimulation of the parasympathetic nervous system leads to a constriction of pupils. 6. Sharply delineated eosinophilic inclusions in the neuronal pericardia and proximal dendrites in rabies are known as Negri bodies. 7. Which of the following is a human RNA virus? Rhabdovirus. B ആണ്. ഇനി 8. വിച്ച് ഓഫ് ദ ഫോളോയിങ് ഈസ് എ ഹൈ ലെവൽ ഡിസിൻഫെക്റ്റൻറ്റ്? എ ആണ് ഗ്ലൂട്രാൽഡിഹൈഡ്. 9. വിച്ച് ഈസ് ദ റെക്കമെൻഡഡ് ട്രാൻസ്പോർട്ട് മീഡിയം ഫോർ വിബ്രിയോ കോളറെ? ഡി ആണ് ക്യാരി ബ്ലെയർ മീഡിയം. ഇനി 10. Andulant fever is commonly transmitted by all of the following routes except A, person to person. 11. Group in which individuals interact over a long period of time on a direct and personal basis is known as C, primary group. 12. Spread of one's cultural practices, beliefs or items among members of the same culture or different cultures around the world is known as B, cultural diffusion. 13. Arrange the stages of family cycle in chronological sequence. C, formation, extension, complete extension, contraction, complete contraction, dissolution. 14. Mixing of two cultures due to cultural contact when people with different cultures comes in contact is known as D, acculturation. 15. Which among the following is a formal method of social control? A, coercion. 16. Which of the following is a similarity between thematic appreciation test and word association test? B, both tests are examples of projective personality tests. 17. When we gather together particular observations in the form of premises and rows? B, inductive reasoning. 18. When an older memory interferes with a new memory, it is known as C, proactive interference. 19. Learning in which behavior is strengthened followed by reinforcement is known as D, operant conditioning. 20. A type of long-term memory that deals with the encoding of abstract knowledge is A, semantic memory. 21. How many drops per minute are to be administered for 15 milliliter per hour for infusion with drop factor 20 per ml? D, 5. 22. What nursing action prevents the transmission of pulmonary tuberculosis? C, have the client wear a mask from admission. 23. What is the compression ventilation ratio in adult basic life support? B, 30:2. 24. What is the GCS score if a patient is opening eyes to cold, localizes pain and confused? B ആണ് E3M5V4. 25. A life-threatening complication of immobility is a pulmonary embolism. 26. Which cranial nerve is evaluated by asking the patient to smile, frown and raise and lower the eyebrows? C, facial. 27. Interpret the ABG values: pH 7.35, PaO2 95%, PaCO2 49%, HCO3 30. A ആണ് respiratory acidosis compensated. 28. The gradual decrease of body's temperature after death is called B. Algor mortis. 29. Which of the following indicates proper use of triangle arm sling? D. The knot is placed on either side of the vertebrae of the neck. 30. What finding on physical examination of a patient is possible indicator of malnutrition? D. Thick, dry skin and dry hair. 31. The recommended caloric requirement of 2-year-old child is B. 1100 kilocalories per day. 32. The rate of energy supply of protein is A. 4 kilocalorie per gram. 33. The vitamin that promotes absorption of iron, vitamin C, D ആണ്. 34. Which among the following is a viral foodborne infection? C. Gastroenteritis. 35. Which among the following is the mode of intervention for secondary prevention? D. Early diagnosis and treatment. 36. A child can draw a complete rectangle at C. 4 years. 37. The cabinet temperature maintained in ILR is plus 2 degrees Celsius to plus 8 degrees Celsius. A ആണ്. 38. Post coital contraception is recommended within B. 72 hours of an unprotected intercourse. 39. The capacity of an infectious agent to invade, survive and multiply in a host is called D. Infectivity. 40. A pneumoconiosis due to inhalation of cotton dust over long period of time is B. Biocinosis. 41. Chemotherapy drug that is well known to produce cardiac toxicity is A ആണ് doxorubicin. 42. Bear hugger is used to C. Provide warmth. 43. Patient with rhabdomyolysis are at risk for the developing B. acute kidney injury. 44. Albuterol is a bronchodilator. 45. Drug used to maintain patency of patent ductus arteriosus is D ആണ് prostaglandin infusion. 46. Cobblestone appearance is seen in C. Crohn's disease. 47. Scleral buckling is done as the management of A. retinal detachment. 48. Normal value of HCO3 level in the arterial blood is B. 22 to 26. 49. Swage needles are suture needles C. without eyes. 50. The NIHSS is a scale that is used to assess A. outcome of patients with stroke. 51. The defense mechanism of voluntary blocking of distressing thoughts or feelings from one's awareness is called D. suppression. 52. Which of the following are correct about physical barriers of communication? 1 4 ആണ് നോയ്സും lack of privacy. B ആണ് ഉത്തരം. 53. Which is the main source of dopamine for brain? C. substantia nigra. 54. Exaggerated conception of one's own importance, social power of or identity is called a delusion of grandeur. 55. The purposeless stereotyped involuntary repetitive jerking movements of short duration due to contraction or twitching of small group of muscles are called C. tics. 56. The imaginary perception in the absence of real stimuli is called C. hallucination. 57. What is the inability or difficulty in describing one's emotions or unable of being aware of one's emotions or mood? A. alexithymia. 58. All drugs are mood stabilizers except B. Librium. 59. The behavioral therapy in which the pleasant stimulus is paired with an unpleasant response is C. aversion therapy. 60. Which of the following statements are correct about positive symptoms of schizophrenia? ഇത് എല്ലാം ഉണ്ട്. D ആണ് all of the above. 61. The target group of weekly iron and folic acid supplementation program is B. school going girls and boys. 62. Which of the following does not belong to the major criteria of John's criteria for diagnosing acute rheumatic fever? സി ആർത്രൽഗിയ. 63. The common fracture in neonates during the passage through small maternal pelvis. A. Fracture clavicle. 64. Which of the following method is not used to estimate body surface area burned? C. Rule of 10. 65. The educable group of mental handicap belong to IQ level of D 51 to 70. 66. Levetiracetam drug is commonly used in children for the treatment of seizures. 67. Ductus arteriosus is a fetal large vessel which connects D left pulmonary artery with descending aorta. 68. The ratio of all late fetal deaths and early neonatal deaths weighing 1,000 grams and above and total live births weighing 1,000 grams and above is A. Perinatal mortality rate. 69. Poor communication skill, repetitive behavior, abnormalities in social interactions are the characteristic manifestations of B. Autistic spectrum disorders. 70. Ugly duckling stage in dentition is associated with D. School age. 71. The therapeutic level of serum magnesium is B ആണ് 4 to 7. 72. Which of the following is true regarding Erb's palsy? C. The biceps jerk or lost. 72. Which of the following are hazards of gestational diabetes mellitus? 1 ഉം 2 ആണ്, അതായത് A ആണ്. 74. Which of the following statement are correct about withholding resuscitation in newborn? 1 ഉം 2 ആണ്, A ആണ്. 75. Failure of emission of semen is known as A. C ആണ്, aspermia. 76. Which of the following can prevent prolonged labor? 1 ഉം 2 ആണ്, B ആണ് ഉത്തരം. 77. The positive evidence of pregnancy and living fetus includes C. Active fetal movement. 78. Which of the following are immediate puerperal emergencies? 1 ഉം 3 ആണ്, C ആണ് ഉത്തരം. 79. Which of the following are the intrapartum risk factors of puerperal sepsis? 1 ഉം 2 ആണ്, B ആണ് ഉത്തരം. 80. Which of the following is a fact of endometriosis? A ആണ്, asymptomatic in good number of cases. 81. Focus of teaching must be B. Student centered. 82. Fill in the blanks. D ആണ്, problem based learning ആണ്. 83. One speaker addresses large audience is lecture method of teaching. A ആണ്. 84. Find the mode of the following distribution. B 3 വരിക. 85. The size of flashcards to address small group of audience is D 25 cm into 30 cm. 86. A quasi-experimental design does not have the feature of C. randomization. 87. A tentative prediction of relationship between two variables is C. hypothesis. 88. Fill in the blanks. B ആണ്, scale. 89. The level of significance represented as P is the probability of making a type 1 error. 90. Blood pressure value is continuous type of data. D ആണ്. 91. The means of direction, guidance and controlling workforce to accomplish the assigned task in management process is B. supervision. 92. A diagrammatical representation of the formal organization structure is A ആണ്, or organogram. 93. The process of ensuring that events conform to plans in an organization is B. controlling. ഇനി 94. The quantity of stores set apart is used only at the time of emergency for unforeseen demands is called a buffer stock. 95. An organization that defines hierarchical relationship, authority and responsibilities is a B. formal organization. ഇനി 96. C ആണ്, licensure. 97. A ആണ്, exploitive. 98. ൻ്റെ ആൻസർ D ആണ്, ലൂതർ ഗ്ലിക്ക്. 99. The principle of ethics that means tells the truth, be honest with the patients, families and peers is C ആണ്, veracity. 100. നൂറാമത്തെ ഉത്തരം A ആണ്, ഡിപ്ലോയ്മെൻറ്റ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇത്രയാണ് പ്രൊവിഷൻ ആൻസർ കീ. നിങ്ങൾ ഈ ചാനൽ ഇതുവരെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്ത് തരാണെങ്കിൽ